In today's video, let's take a look at OKLO stock, and I'm going to give you guys my reasoning as to why I think the stock is likely bottomed here, or it at least is setting up for a really good risk to reward swing trade towards the 71 area. So we can see here that the stock has been topped out for the better part of a year now. It topped out in October of 2025, and it's just been a downtrend since, and there's really been no reason to buy the stock since it broke the 109 level there. We can see once it broke this low here at the 109, we closed a weekly below 109 there. Every rally back up into this level was sold off. We never got a weekly close back above the 109 low here. So we can see that we broke structure on this candle. We rallied back. We never got acceptance back above, rallied back again here, never got back above this key 109 level. So we sold off. We made a low right here. We broke market structure again on this weekly close below the low, came down, rallied back up, and you can just notice all these wicks here into this level. So when we rallied back into this swing low here, just lots of wicks, no acceptance above this level really, except for this one weekly candle that we got to close here above, which ended up just being a fake out. So we continued the downtrend. But something that's now different about the price action right now is that notice how we have this swing low here, but we've actually finally been able to close back above a swing low that we broke below. So we had a swing low here, we broke below it on this candle, we closed below, but on this recent weekly, we actually got to close back above our swing low here at about like 45. We closed nice and cleanly through at around like 48 here. So all of OKLO's previous attempts to reclaim a key level on the weekly time frame was rejected. Right here it was rejected at the 109, right here it was rejected at 71, but we finally got some sort of change in behavior from the stock at this level here. So based on this reclaim setup, you could have actually just longed on the weekly close last week and it would have provided you with a 2R risk to reward trade. If we're trading back below this level here, back below 36, then it's either going to put in a liquidity sweep on the weekly, we could double bottom down there, or this thing's going much lower. So I really don't want to see price trade back below here because we have reclaimed this level here at around 45 on the weekly. This was also like an earnings candle here as well. We ended up pumping off of earnings, so retracing the entire earnings move would also be pretty bearish and I wouldn't want to be in the trade anymore. But as long as we can hold this 45 level here on the weekly, then this thing is definitely setting up for a move up into this 71 resistance level on the weekly time frame. If we take it down one time frame further to the daily chart here as well, we can see that we have broken this trend line here on the daily. We were just in a pretty bearish trend from 70 all the way down to like 36. Then we finally broke out of this trend here. So we've got a trend line break. We also have a reclaim of a key low, and now we're retesting this key low here on the daily. So I really want to see this weekly close above 45. And if it does close above 45, then you have yourself a nice swing trade setup here for a move into 71.